Hello everyone. So today I made a new tool which is currently named DisplaceType. So this is just a prototype name. If you want, you can suggest a better name for it. So the current settings, we have text input, we have typography settings, and we have waveform properties. So in input, let's input some kind of text, A, B, C, D. This is what you're gonna see. You can also, if you want, you can line break, and you can change font. Let's, for example, use impact. You can change alignment. You can change line height, and you can also change line spacing. So let's move to our main properties, which are waveform properties. The gap controls the distance between lines. The height controls the displacement height. So if you want, you can make it as high as you want or as low as you want. So we also have the stroke width, currently it's 1, or you can increase it, remove it completely. And of course, settings for blur. This controls the effect. So I think somewhere around 4 or 5 currently works okay, or you can make it much more smoother. So I'm gonna keep it at 4. If you want, you can change colors, choose your own color. And of course, there is a setting for, let's say you want your displacement area to have a different color. So that's when you want to click this lock icon, you unlock it, and then you can change the color of the displacement. So it's gonna look much more interesting. Also some settings for gradients, you can change them independently or together, some cool effects. Play with gap, play with height, play with stroke. You can do anything you want. Or here you can actually remove the stroke, try a different color palette and increase the gap, decrease the gap, maybe bring back the line, make this different, couple of interesting settings. So here we have like zoom in, zoom out settings, and you can also, of course, change the aspect ratio. Here we have some standard aspect ratios, or you can download as SVG or a PNG. So currently this is a straight view. You have 2 options for isometric view, one from the left, one from the right, and it works live. You can change height again. So these are your settings panel. Info panel has some information about this tool. So to access this tool, go to my website customglove.com, and then on the other projects you're gonna see this DisplaceType. So it's gonna take you there. It's completely free. Use it as you like. Enjoy.